So I think I mentioned I have a lifetime plus score against grandmasters and simul's, and there's a way to prepare for grandmasters and simul's that I've covered before, and a lot of it has to do with the kind of chess you play and the kind of chess they play. So in this particular case, I am helping one of my students prepare for a grandmaster simul they're going to be in, and I'm going to start scouting their study of play. Now, why my student isn't doing this is a good question. The student is probably on social media somewhere doing something, and I hope they see this video and feel like maybe they should be doing this instead of me. I asked them to download a PGN of this Grandmaster's game in some detail, and I understand they've downloaded it, and I don't know what else they've done, so I'm not hearing much about it, and the simul's coming up, so I'm going to use this as a teaching example for all the students out there, and for anybody else who wants to look in at it. And what we're doing is we're trying to sift through the Grandmaster's games and scout their style of play. In some cases, like if you were going to play Tigan Petrosian, it's pretty obvious his style of play is wait for you to like make a mistake and then squeeze you to death. So study their tendencies in the openings you play in particular. Everybody plays a favorite opening, and hopefully they can find out what this Grandmaster does against your opening, because in general, Grandmasters play white in these simuls. Now, we don't know if they're going to play e4, d4, or c4, knight f3, or what, but at the most, you should be able to look at a couple of examples of what they play and what you play, and then find, if possible, an improvement in their opponent's play that is sharp. Now, in people like myself who are grandmasters, analyzing grandmasters games, just have to rely on our experience and common sense. And fortunately, we have these engines now that we can analyze things in after the fact, and everybody is made to look stupid by engines. But you have to understand engines; they're really no fail-safe, and they often give you wrong answers unless you let them run for quite a while. So. The end result is that you should remember 2 or 3 different principles about what it is that they do against your openings, and then you want to take them down a path that they're uncomfortable with, and yet you still